Hi, I'm Sean, one of NovaStor's US-based backup experts. And today I'll explain a feature that can drastically affect the way that you perform backups. As you already know, all Buffalo NAS devices come with NovaStor's data protection backup software, NovaBACKUP. But did you also know that select TeraStation models are powered by Windows Storage Server Standard and Workgroup 2016 edition? These WSS models that include Microsoft Windows Storage Server offer the ability to enable file deduplication. And for most organizations, this means a drastically reduced backup data storage footprint. Most environments have vast amounts of repeated information within their backup data. The deduplication feature simply points back to that original copy of data rather than making multiple copies of it. Data storage and disaster recovery solutions that offer this integrated feature often cost considerably more, and performing dedupe processing in-line can often negatively impact backup performance. Consider that a Buffalo NAS storage device can provide both the power of NovaBACKUP's data protection and the flexibility of Microsoft's Windows Storage Server right out of the box. To learn more about the value of this amazing bundle and to see additional videos, please continue to our dedicated website.